Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget hot swappable keyboards in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is EPOMAKER SKYLOONG SK61 Swappable Keyboard. This keyboard saves a ton of money but still gets you a keyboard loaded with Gateron switches as part of the standard package. You can order it with one of 11 switch types, including both mechanical and optical, to get the feel and sound you want. You also get durable PBT keycaps at an incredibly affordable price. This model is at heart a gaming keyboard, so it has customizable macros and N-key rollover. Gamers will also appreciate RGB backlighting. If you're a little on the clumsy side, this might be the right keyboard for you, thanks to its splash-resistant rating. To achieve ultimate experience, SK61 adopts the renowned Gateron optical switches, which are also hot swappable for this keyboard. The hot swap feature has been quite popular among players. It provides more options and fun to customize your unique mechanical keyboard. Where this model could do better is the included software, which can be difficult to navigate. Number 2. Our second best pick is KLUDGE RK84 Hot Swappable Mechanical Keyboard. This is a gaming keyboard that lets you customize switches, keycaps, while enjoying RGB backlighting. It offers 3 connectivity modes: wireless on the 2.4 GHz band, Bluetooth 5.0, and wired. You can also store up to 3 devices and switch between connections. RK84 brings a little versatility to the game in that you can take off the top frame and let it float, or put it back on to keep it embedded. A detachable footpad can help you adjust the angle for a better fit to your typing style. Additionally, it has 2 USB pass-through ports and a USB-C port. Where it falls a little short are the pre-installed switches. They're an off-brand name, so most people will want to switch those out fairly quickly. The innovative 75% unique layout differs from traditional TKL keyboards, which cuts more clumsy space off while supporting the same functionality as practical arrow, multimedia, and control keys. Number 3. Our third best pick is Keychron K8 Tankless Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This keyboard boasts an excellent battery life, so you won't be charging it that often. It's also one of the more affordable Keychron keyboards, but you will pay an extra $25 or so for the hot swappable version. This one has 5-pin switches, and you get to choose either Gateron optical red, brown, or blue switches at purchase, which are all excellent options. This one is also compatible with both Mac and Windows, and you can easily switch between the two using the FN key. It's ready for Bluetooth 5.1 to connect with many of the latest devices. However, Keychron is able to offer it at a lower price, in part because of the ABS keycaps, but you can replace those fairly easily down the road. Connect with up to 3 devices via duct Bluetooth and switch among them easily. With high reliability and broad compatibility Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, the K8 is best to fit home, office, and light gaming use while connecting with your smartphone, laptop, and iPad. It also has wired mode with USB Type-C connection. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Drop Control Mechanical Keyboard. This mechanical keyboard has been around for a while and with good reason. Though it lacks some of the fancier gaming-oriented features, you can't beat the quality and feel. The metal base plate and aluminum frame give it impressive durability and heft. Double-shot PBT keycaps take that durability and quality to another level. Consequently, these keys won't develop a shine or wear out anytime soon. It also offers pass-through charging to help you keep your other devices ready to go. Compatibility with some of the top switch manufacturers Cherry MX, Kale, and Drop Calo leaves you plenty of options from which to choose. The result is a keyboard that feels amazing and will stay with you for years to come. If there's a downside, it's that as a wired keyboard, you're tied to the desk. This control model comes with Halo True switches, which are medium weight and provide smooth tactile action. Halo True switches have a light preload to reduce jarring impact and a heavy spring to discourage bottoming out. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Mountain Everest Max Mechanical RGB Gaming Keyboard. This is technically a hot-swappable gaming keyboard, and it brings enough extra features to the game that it's worth considering even if you're not into gaming. It has a TKL base unit, but the modular design is what makes it an awesome hot-swappable full-size keyboard. The number pad and display dial can be moved to different sides of the base unit. You get to decide what's on the display dial, so you can keep an eye on CPU usage and lighting control. This is a great full-size model for those who lean towards gaming. For dedicated macro buttons with LED displays, let programmers or gamers set their most used keystrokes for faster work and play. The downside is that this keyboard is pricey and it has disappointing ABS keycaps. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.